Hello everyone, let us solve this equation. Square root of 36 minus x square plus square root of 64 minus x square is equal to 10. So, solution for this: given equation is square root of 36 minus x square plus square root of 64 minus x square is equal to 10. Squaring both sides. Left hand side, square root of 36 minus x square its square plus square root of 64 minus x square of this plus 2 times square root of 36 minus x square into square root of 64 minus x square, and this is equal to 10 square. Here this square and this square root gets cancelled. Here also this square and this square root gets cancelled. Then from first term 36 minus x square, and from second term 64 minus x square. Third term, keep it as it is, 2 times square root of 36 minus x square into square root of 64 minus x square, and this is equal to 10 square means 100. Now transfer these 36 and 64 on right hand side. Hence equation can be written as minus x square, this minus x square, plus 2 into square root of 36 minus x square into square root of 64 minus x square is equal to 100 minus 36 minus 64. Hence minus x square and this minus x square, this becomes minus of 2 times x square plus 2 times square root of 36 minus x square into 64 minus x square. This is equal to 100 minus 36, 64 minus 64, 0. Take this term on right hand side. Hence we can write 2 times square root of 36 minus x square into square root of 64 minus x square is equal to 2x square. Now cancel these 2 on both sides. Hence we can write square root of, taking multiplication of these two square roots, 36 minus x square into 64 minus x square, this is equal to x square. Squaring both sides, (36 minus x square into 64 minus x square, square root of this and its square, this is equal to x square, its square. This square cancels with this square root, then this is equal to 36 minus x square into 64 minus x square is equal to x to the power 4. Now 36 into 64 minus 36 into x square minus 64 into x square minus x square into minus x square plus x to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 4. Hence, 36 into 64 minus 36 minus 64 minus 100 x square is equal to x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4. This x to the power 4 cancels with this x to the power 4. Right hand side becomes 0. Hence, 36 into 64 minus 100 x square is equal to 0. Now 100 x square we have to take on right hand side. Hence 100 x square is equal to 36 into 64. This implies x square is equal to 36 into 64 divided by 100. Now taking square roots on both sides, x is equal to plus or minus square root of 36 into 60 divided by 100, which is equal to square root of 36 into square root of 64 divided by square root of 100 with plus or minus sign. So this is equal to plus or minus square root of 36 is 6, square root of 64 is 8, square root of 100 is 10. Simplify this and this is equal to plus or minus 20.5. Hence x is equal to plus or minus 4.8. And this is answer. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.